In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Knoll card to your Apple Wallet. First of all, you need to open the App Store and you need to go to search, where you need to enter Knoll in the search bar and you need to find this app Knoll Pay. And if you don't have already this application, you need to get it. And once you will install it, then you need to open it. When you open the app, you can check your card info. So to add your card to Apple Wallet, first of all, you need to register your card or you need to log into your account. After you will log in and after you will have a Knoll card, then you can close this app and you can go to the Apple Wallet, where you need to click the plus icon in the top right. And right here, you need to click travel card. And in the search, you need to search for Knoll card and you should be able to see Knoll card as an option right here. If you don't see it, it means that you have not registered Knoll card. And if you have successfully verified your card, like I said before, you will find it right here, guys, in this list. So that's all I want to show you in this video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.